Hello. Join us as we explore the inspiring journey of Zerodha's success and discover the key takeaways for anyone looking to create something impactful. The Zerodha success story, the rise of India's biggest stockbroker. Zerodha is a remarkable success story in the Indian financial industry. Founded in 2010 by Nitin Kamath and his brother Nikhil Kamath, Zerodha started with the vision of making stock trading more accessible and affordable for everyone. The company disrupted the traditional stockbroking model by introducing a low-cost, flat-fee pricing model, charging just rupees 20 per trade instead of the usual commission-based charges used by most brokers. This innovative approach, combined with a strong focus on technology and user-friendly platforms, helped Zerodha grow rapidly. Its kite trading platform became one of the most popular in India, while its Varsity initiative educated millions of investors. It achieved unicorn status valued at over $1 billion in 2020. Today, Zerodha is not only a leader in the stockbroking industry, but also a testament to how innovation, transparency, and customer-first thinking can revolutionize an entire sector. Let us take a closer look at the visionaries behind Zerodha. Meet the founders Nitin and Nikhil Kamath. Nitin Kamath, the founder of Zerodha, grew up in Bangalore, India, in a middle-class family. From a young age, Nitin had a keen interest in numbers, which naturally led him to develop a fascination with the stock market. Nitin attended BMS College of Engineering in Bangalore, where he studied engineering, but his true passion lay in the world of finance and investing. Even during his college years, he started dabbling in the stock market and learning about trading, which soon became his obsession. After finishing his studies, Nitin decided to pursue a career as a full-time trader, working with proprietary trading desks where he traded on behalf of financial institutions. However, despite his growing success in trading, Nitin noticed a significant problem in the Indian stockbroking landscape: the high brokerage fees that were eating into the profits of retail traders. This observation led to his idea of creating a new, more cost-efficient model for stockbroking. This led him to the idea of founding Zerodha in 2010, a company that would revolutionize the Indian stockbroking market by providing low-cost, tech-driven solutions to traders and investors. Ultimately, the Kamath brothers' vision for Zerodha was not just about making money, but about solving a real problem in the stockbroking space, helping investors and traders succeed by reducing the barriers to entry and empowering them with the tools and knowledge to make informed decisions. How Zerodha came to life, the vision behind the startup. In the early days of Zerodha, founders Nitin Kamath and his younger brother Nikhil Kamath were driven by a shared frustration with the stockbroking industry. Both were passionate about making investing more affordable and accessible to ordinary people. At that time, India's stockbroking industry was dominated by traditional brokers who charged high commissions, often a percentage of the trade amount. These fees were a significant barrier for many potential investors, especially small traders. Nitin, with his experience as a self-taught trader, and Nikhil, with his problem-solving abilities, recognized an opportunity. They wanted to create a brokerage firm that could offer lower commissions while providing better customer service compared to traditional brokers. They envisioned a platform that would democratize trading, allowing anyone, regardless of their financial background, to participate in the stock market without the burden of high brokerage costs. The brothers started Zerodha in 2010 with limited resources. They didn't have large investors backing them or millions of dollars in capital. Instead, they used their personal savings to get the company off the ground. In those early days, they faced significant challenges, not only in building the business, but also in gaining credibility in an industry dominated by well-established players. One of the biggest obstacles they encountered was the skepticism from both customers and potential investors. The idea of a low-cost brokerage firm was novel, and many were unsure whether it would succeed, especially when the dominant players in the industry were charging higher fees. Raising capital was also a struggle, as many investors were hesitant to support a new, untested model in an established market. Despite these challenges, the Kamath brothers remained determined. They focused on delivering value to their customers, working tirelessly to build trust, and providing innovative solutions. With no outside funding at first, Zerodha had to rely on its own bootstrapped resources to develop the platform, market the service, and attract early users.
One of the key innovations that set Zerodha apart and disrupted the stockbroking industry was its flat-fee pricing model. Unlike traditional brokers who charge a percentage-based commission, Zerodha introduced a flat rupee, 20 per trade fee, regardless of the trade size. This was a radical shift from the industry standard and quickly gained attention in the market. In a country where brokerage fees could range from 0.5% to 1% per transaction, Zerodha's low-cost model was a game-changer. Retail investors, who were previously discouraged by the high commission fees, found this model incredibly appealing. For the first time, they could trade without worrying that fees would eat into their profits. This model made stock trading affordable and accessible to a much larger audience. The flat-fee model immediately set Zerodha apart from its competitors. It allowed the company to attract retail traders, especially those who traded in smaller quantities or frequent traders who would have otherwise paid huge commissions. Zerodha's model not only reduced costs for individual traders, but also removed the complexity and lack of transparency that many traders face with traditional brokers. Zerodha's flat-fee pricing model was a breakthrough in the stockbroking industry, helping the company build a strong and loyal customer base. The innovation didn't just lower costs, it redefined how stockbroking was perceived and opened the doors for millions of Indians to enter the stock market and trade without fear of high commissions. By offering high-quality, structured content, Zerodha's Varsity helped millions of investors and traders learn the ropes of the stock market and develop their own investment strategies. The focus on self-learning allowed users to access the material at their own pace, empowering them to make informed decisions and avoid common pitfalls in trading. Moreover, Zerodha's emphasis on education made it a knowledge-driven company that built long-term relationships with its customers. Investors weren't just buying into a platform, they were investing in a community that valued education and empowerment. Zerodha's efforts to democratize education through Varsity cemented its position not only as a leading stockbroker, but also as a trusted resource for anyone looking to navigate the complex world of finance. By focusing on education, Zerodha ensured that its customers were equipped with the tools to succeed, not just in trading, but in making sound financial decisions for the long term. Zerodha now, a unicorn with over 2 million clients. Today, Zerodha stands as the largest retail stockbroker in India, with over 2 million active clients. The company's journey from a small startup to an industry leader is nothing short of remarkable. Zerodha's flat fee model, combined with its technology-driven approach and customer-first ethos, helped it disrupt the stockbroking space and become the go-to platform for millions of traders and investors across the country. In 2020, Zerodha achieved the coveted status of a unicorn with a valuation exceeding $1 billion. This achievement was a testament to the company's success in capturing a large market share in the highly competitive stockbroking industry. Zerodha's growth has been phenomenal, and its innovative platforms like Kite and Console have made it a leading player in the fintech space. In conclusion, Zerodha's transformation into a unicorn company is a powerful story of innovation, perseverance, and commitment to customer empowerment. The company's success continues to inspire entrepreneurs in India and around the world, and its future looks incredibly promising. Zerodha's journey from a small startup to India's largest retail stockbroker is a story of vision, innovation, and resilience. The Kamath brothers, Nithin and Nikhil, set out with a simple but powerful goal. Low-cost model can be profitable. Entrepreneurs can learn that a low-cost model can work if executed with efficiency and if it brings substantial value to customers. Customer service matters. Their focus on customer-first service created a loyal user base that grew through word of mouth. This shows that a strong customer relationship is essential for long-term success. Education empowers your customers. Entrepreneurs can learn that educating your customers can not only help them succeed, but also foster deeper connections with your brand. Ultimately, Zerodha's success teaches entrepreneurs to approach their business with a clear vision, a commitment to innovation, and a customer-first mentality. By focusing on creating real value, embracing technology, and providing educational resources, Zerodha has built an enduring legacy. And this is the foundation for sustainable business growth. If you are in it for the long run, focus on solving a real problem. Make things better, make them simpler, and make them cheaper. The customers will come, and the rest will follow.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Achieve Learning.